welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm happy to see you guys again, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Sonic, and today I'm gonna take you guys to the beach in UK. Why? First of all, because the weather is nice today. Second of all, me and my boyfriend haven't been on a date for quite a while, so we wanna go on a little dates together. So I will take you guys with us. What's your name, Kap? So right now we're already out of our house and gonna go to get a coffee before we en route. What's you gonna get? Cappuccino.
There you go. Yes.
And I'm gonna get
Matcha latte iced. Why did I say it like that? Let me just start again. Iced oat matcha latte.
correct. So we are waiting for our drinks. What happened?
I'm fighting a daily battle with plants and trees and grass.
People love iced latte, isn't it?
When it's hot.
But why are you drinking hot cappuccinos anyway?
Because I love hot cappuccino.
It's not hot for you, like with this weather? I mean,
No,
it's not that
okay.
hot, but like... It's not just only you now, I feel it's in my nose too, like the pollens, everything just go inside your nose and then go to my throat.
Yeah, horrible.
I already got my matcha oat and he already got his cappuccino. Now we en route to
Southend-on-Sea.
wee. It's gonna take us around 1 hour, depend on the traffic, but yeah, see you guys there. Southend-on-Sea, right? Okay, we're gonna go drive by the beach a little bit before we heading to our lunch destination. It's 3 p.m. already, but we haven't eaten any single thing besides trying this. So we pretty much hungry, isn't it? Everyone's here, but I don't wonder why everyone's here, because it's very, very nice here. Amazing. So we already got a parking and now we're at a restaurant called Oliver. That's what I remember. The stuff we want to do, we need to like walk further down a little bit, but we're gonna go after we have lunch. I ordered tiger prawn. It's like a tiger prawn with garlic butter with breads. What did you order, sir?
I ordered prawn linguine, keeping it classy, you know.
Yeah, and caramellis for sharing. Because sharing, it's
No,
caring.
no.
Yes, it is.
No.
It is. What are you gonna say then?
No, it's carings is sharings.
Sharing is caring.
Carings is the new sharings.
That would do. ASMR moment, caramari. We are already done with the food. It's nice. I like the creamery one the most. We cannot even have a dessert right now because we are full, and we always have a dessert.
We always have a dessert.
Say that.
Always.
We don't know how to play this game, guys. So basically, we go play that game without knowing anything, and we got like 720 tickets. 720 tickets. 720 tickets. Yeah. And we redeemed for the Southend. What is this?
Yeah.
It's like I don't know. It like this. For 500 tickets.
Look like this.
Yeah. And we got ring pops and burger gummies. What do you think about it?
It was fun.
You like it?
A bit expensive. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
it
lie.
is.
This place is really good at taking your money.
Yeah, that's true. And I don't think this worth what we're spending. It's definitely not worth what we're spending, but yeah, we have a good time anyway. So let's go to the park. Where we're doing fit check right now. Top from Bershka, skirt from Urban Outfitter, shoes Adidas. This one, I think got from like TikTok shop in Thailand and TikTok shop in Thailand as well.
This is like Top Ann.
Okay.
And this is Bershka. I think this is COS. This one, I like the material. It's very nice.
Could you please tell everyone what we're gonna do now?
Mum,
Questions
if you're
my
watching
decision.
this, I'm dead.
You will be fine, mister. Yeah, we're gonna do this thingy. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time. Now we back at our car and we're gonna go drive around to see the sunset because right now, what time is it? It's almost 8
Yeah.
and we're just gonna go drive around catching sunset. Been a fun day, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is. I didn't expect that Southend-on-Sea it's gonna be this nice, but we loved it. Before we say goodbye, come with us to a little drive.